Hi there. My name is Denis Denisenko. In this video, you'll learn how to synchronize profiles in the Dolphin Anty Detect browser. Dolphin Anty allows you to manage multiple profiles at once. And now, to perform the same action across all these profiles, you won't have to switch between windows. The Synchroniser lets you control all profiles simultaneously simply by performing actions in the main profile. This will simplify many tasks, whether it's farming, running ads, or token listing. In short, with the synchronizer on, all necessary actions happen in the main profile and the other profiles follow suit. Save time and enjoy the results. What plan do you need and which operating systems are supported? The synchronizer is supported on all operating systems, Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. The feature is available on free plus plans, additional profiles, or higher. Information on how to upgrade your plan can be found in the description of this video. Unfortunately, the synchronizer is not available on the free plan. How do you start working with the synchronizer? You need to select profiles from the list and click the synchronizer icon in the bottom action panel. Specify which profile will be the master profile, the one whose actions are mirrored. Toggle the switch next to the desired profile, then click the Start button. Once started, you can arrange the windows in a convenient sequence and at the same size. For example, on Windows, you can do it like this. Perform any necessary actions in the profile, but keep in mind that some sites ban for simultaneous logins from one IP address. You can stop a profile by clicking the Stop button in the Browser Profiles tab. And be sure to wait for the green checkmark to finish working with the synchronizer. This indicates that the data has synchronized and been saved to the cloud. Launching multiple groups of profiles in a specific size isn't possible yet, but we'll try to add this feature soon. Important, the synchronizer is sensitive to differences in window sizes. If one window is larger than another, the action won't be duplicated. If you open all windows full screen and work in the master profile, tabs will work, but page navigation and clicks won't. If there's a different number of tabs or extensions in the profiles, the synchronizer will malfunction because it mirrors the click position, not the target. For example, clicking the MetaMask extension button. Ideally, create copies of profiles so they're identical with different cookies and fingerprints. While using the synchronizer, you can safely launch other profiles. Profiles launched earlier or later can be paused without affecting the synchronizer's operation. All profiles in the synchronizer have their own icons, the main one, and all the others being controlled. And if you decide to stop one of the controlled profiles, that profile will be closed. Important, we have no limit on the number of launched profiles. It all depends on how much your computer's power allows. You can't change the main window in real time, so you should choose the right main profile correctly from the start. We remind you that for all new users, we have a 20% discount on the first payment with the promo code YouTube. With a one-time payment for any annual plan, you get an automatic discount of 40%. Don't forget to comment on the manuals and also subscribe to our YouTube and hit the bell so you don't miss the latest updates and project news. Thank you for watching.